Well, this is gonna be a fun ride. This definitely is not the most ideal weather. I would prefer it to be a little bit sunny so we can confirm that this car is 100% perfect before we ceramic coat it, but we'll make do with what we have. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm probably just as sick of the detailing videos as you are, but today is definitely going to be the last day we do any sort of buffing on the STi. We only have a few panels left to polish out. Doors, rear bumper, trunk, quarter panel, doors. Jared did take home all of the buffing pads, unfortunately, to clean them out, and he's not here yet. So while we're waiting for him to show up, we can do a few other little things on the car. The lights need to be cleaned up, all the glass needs to be cleaned up, some of the trim needs to be cleaned up, and the wheels are disgusting. Hello, sir.
What up?
Thank you, sir. Damn, it's a fire shirt. I wonder where you got that from.
I don't know. I need more of them.
Jared and I have been busting ass all day on this car. We got a ton of stuff done. Taillights buffed, headlights buffed, windows buffed. Jared somehow brought this roof vein back to life.
Hey, it looks way better.
Yeah.
I honestly didn't think it was going to. It was
looks like
gray.
Yeah.
Just like a flat gray. Surprisingly, there was paint underneath that.
There are 3 panels on the car that are not properly finished yet. The only 3 panels, I'll just talk about it later. Yeah, she's all finished up for the most part. It does still need to be ceramic coated and some trim coat stuff done here and there. But right now I want to pull it outside and see how good it looks. For starters, we got to get a cold start for the boys. I don't even need a mirror to do my hair in the morning. I'll just come out and do my hair on my pin, you know? This car turned out so damn good. I wish the Evo 8 turned out this good, bro. Someday the Evo 8 will look this good. I do want to bring it down to a pavement road. We have not ceramic coated the car yet, and the reason for that is because it's gonna sound crazy, but there's only 3 panels on the car left that are factory Subaru paint. And maybe 4, maybe the roof, but the trunk is factory paint. These 2 doors are also factory paint, which is much softer than any other paint on the car. So trying to correct these doors has been giving us a hell of a time. I mentioned at the end of yesterday's video that we found a solution, but as of today, that solution didn't really work. It was better, but it still wasn't perfect. So before we ceramic coat it, we want to get this thing 100% perfect, not 99. And I know you guys love the factory Subaru grill, the broken grill, but a carbon fiber grill is still on its way all the way from China. So as soon as that comes in, we'll get that swapped out.
Oh yeah. Wow. It's not even fully sunny out and you can still, it looks amazing. The ceramic coat's gonna make it pop even more too.
You're not wrong. So like I was talking about earlier, the car is about, what, 95% done?
Yeah, 95. Minus, it's just the doors and the trunk.
I think that we need different pad or different compound. One of the two. We'll figure that out eventually. But we can still ceramic out the entire car except for the doors and the trunk. So I may do that tomorrow. I ran out of time today already, so we're going on day number 5 detailing this car. How does that feel?
Brutal.
Yeah.
Because it probably could have been 2 days, maybe, but you learn more. I mean, next time we do a car, it'll be a lot less time.
I'm really pumped with how it turned out, especially the panels that I sprayed. I'm actually like kind of surprised how good some of this stuff turned out, minus that solvent pop issue, but it's honestly not that bad, I don't think. Jared, appreciate it, bro.
Always.
Damn, she's just so shiny.
Wow, yeah, it does look great. And little things like once the grill's replaced, I saw a bunch of people talking about that.
Yeah.
Once that's replaced.
Really all we have left to do from here is ceramic coat, trim coat on these pieces, all the plastic pieces, maybe some tire shine, and obviously new grill. All right, bro, give me a cold start for the boys. Yeah, she needs to be built again.
Yep.
What's up?
Hi, Ross.
You should have seen my STI. I should
I've
have.
seen it on your video.
You gotta see it in person. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Ceramic coat coming soon. See you tomorrow.